Again, welcome again to another episode of Down to Earth but Heavenly Minded. I'm your host, Herb Rich. We're going through the book, the Jesus Person Pocket Promise Book. And these are all the promises that are made by the Lord. Today we're going to be in part 3, and it's entitled, You Can Expect His Presence in Your Life. And the key verse for this section is Exodus 33:14, where he says, My presence shall go with you, and I will keep you rest. And I will give you rest, And these are all the follow-up verses that follow that verse. Psalms 140, verse 13, The upright will dwell in thy presence. The Lord is with you where you are with him. And if you seek him, he will let you find him. 2 Chronicles 15:2. The Lord is the one who goes ahead of you. He will be with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. Do not fear or be dismayed. Deuteronomy 31:8. And be sure of this, that I am with you always, even to the ends of the world. Matthew 28:20. I am the vine, and you are the branches. He that abides in me, I am in him, and he bears much fruit. For apart from me you can do nothing. John 16:5. If a man love me, he will keep my words, and the Father will love him, and will come unto him, and make our abodes with him. John 14:23. I am the Lord your God, and none else, and my people shall never be ashamed. Joel 2, verse 27. The Lord has set apart the godly man for himself. Psalms 4, verse 3. The Lord loves the righteous. Psalm 146:8. Look, I have been standing at the door, and I am constantly knocking. If anyone hears me calling him and opens the door, I will come in and have fellowship with him, and he will with me. Revelation 3, verse 20. The Lord God is the sun and shield. The Lord will give grace and glory. No good thing will be withheld from them that walk upright. Psalms 84:11. Salvation belongs to the Lord. Thy blessings and a blessing be upon thy people. Psalms 3, verse 8. And one more verse. For as many as are led by the Spirit of God, they are sons of God. Romans 8, verse 14. And the next time we'll be looking at, you can't expect answers to your prayers. Every prayer has an answer. Yes, no, maybe, or later. But they all have answers. Well, that ends our session for today. I hope you enjoyed these short podcasts. So just remember, you can expect his presence in your life. God bless and bye for now.